If x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square and y is equal to 2at upon 1 plus t square, then we have to find out dy by dx. Adjust buddy. Now, for that, we have to differentiate both equations with respect to x. So we will get dx by dt is equal to, and for that we have to apply division rule. Let's say 1 plus t square will be as it is. We have to differentiate your numerator, which is 1 minus t square. So it will be 0 minus 2t minus 1 minus t square will be as it is. We have to differentiate your denominator, which is 1 plus t square. So it will be 0 plus 2t whole divided by square of the denominator, which is 1 plus t square. Now, for further simplification, we can take 2t common from the numerator. So we will get minus 1 minus t square minus 1 plus t square whole divided by the square of the 1 plus t square. Now here your t square will cancel out, minus 1 will become minus 2. So your dx by dt will be minus 4t upon 1 plus t square the whole square. Now let's try to get dy by dt. Your 2a is constant, you don't have to worry about it. Let's apply division rule. 1 plus t square will be as it is. Differentiation of t will be 1 minus t will be as it is. Differentiation of 1 plus t square will be 0 plus 2t whole divided by square of the 1 plus t square. Let's simplify. Your 2a upon 1 plus t square, the whole square will be as it is. In first term, we will get 1 plus t square, and in second term, we will get minus 2t square. So again, your 2a upon 1 plus t square, the whole square will be as it is, and within the bracket, we will get 1 minus t square. So we get our dy by dt. So we are ready to find out dy by dx by taking the ratio of dy by dt upon dx by dt. So in numerator, we have to substitute the value of dy by dt upon, in denominator, we have to substitute the value of dx by dt. So 1 plus t square, the whole square will cancel out, and we will get 2a into 1 minus t square upon minus 4t. So this 2 will cancel out, and if we multiply minus within the bracket, we will get a into t square minus 1 upon t, which is given in option D. Ta-da! If tan y is equal to 2t upon 1 minus t square and sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, then we have to find out dy by dx. Now, to get dy by dx, we need equation of y and x. The problem is y is not subjective. So let's make it subjective. We can say y is equal to tan inverse of 2t upon 1 minus t square, which can be rewrite as 2 tan inverse x. Similarly, we can say your x is simply sine inverse of 2t upon 1 plus t square. If we substitute t is equal to tan theta, you will get x is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So if we equate equation of y and x, you will get y is equal to x. So your dy by dx is simply 1, which is given in option C. Ta-da! If x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280, then we have to find out d square y by dx square. First of all, let's differentiate both equations with respect to x. So we will get dx by dt is equal to 280 and dy by dt is equal to 2a. So we can say dy by dx, which is actually ratio of dy by dt, and dx by dt will be 2a upon 280, or we can say your dy by dx is simply 1 upon t. But we have to find out d square y by dx square. So we have to differentiate our equation with respect to x. So we will get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon t square into dt by dx. So here minus 1 by t square will be as it is. We need the value of dt by dx, which is nothing but reciprocal of dx by dt. So here we'll get 1 upon 280. So your d square y by dx square is simply minus 1 upon 280 cube, which is given in option D. Ta-da! Here cos x plus y is equal to y sin x. Then we have to find out dy by dx. And for that, we have to differentiate with respect to x. So on left hand side, cos is the outer function. Let's consider box around the inner function, which is x plus y. Differentiation of cos box will be minus sine box into differentiation of box. Within the box, we have x plus y. So we have to multiply its differentiation. Differentiation of x will be 1 and differentiation of y will be dy by dx. And on right hand side, we have to apply multiplication rule. Let's say in first term y will be as it is. We will differentiate sin x. So it will be cos x plus sin x will be as it is. We have to differentiate y. So it will be dy by dx. Now let's simplify left hand side. Multiply sine box with 1. So we will get minus sine x plus y. The same term with the dy by dx. So we will get minus sine x plus y into dy by dx is equal to your whole right hand side will be as it is. Now, in next step, we have to collect the terms of dy by dx on one side. So let's move the term of dy by dx on the right side. And this y cos x move on the left side. So we will get minus sine x plus y minus y cos x is equal to sine x into dy by dx plus sine x plus y into dy by dx. From left hand side, we can take negative common, so this will become plus, and from left hand side, we can take dy by dx common. So finally, we can say your dy by dx is simply minus of sine x plus y plus y cos x whole divided by sine x plus sine x plus y, which is given in option A. Ta-da! Here we have y is equal to 1 upon 4 u raised to 4 and u is equal to 2 by 3 x raised to 3 plus 5, and we have to find out dy by dx. Actually, y is function of u and u is function of x. So we have to apply chain rule. Let's take equation of y, which is 1 by 4 u raised to 4, and differentiate it with respect to x. So we will get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4 4u raised to 3 into du by dx. To get du by dx, we will use equation of u, which is 2 by 3 into x cube plus 5. Differentiate it with respect to x. So we will get du by dx is equal to 2 by 3. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square plus 0. So this 3 will cancel out and we will get 2x square. So we get the value of dy by dx. Just substitute it over here and we will get this 4 will cancel out and u cube, which is nothing but cube of your u, which is 2 by 3 x cube plus 5 into du by dx, which is simply 2x square. By taking LCM, we will get 2x cube plus 15 whole cube divided by 27 into 2x square is your final answer, which is given in option B. Ta-da! If x is equal to 2 cos t minus cos 2t and y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t, we have to find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. And for that, let's differentiate both equations with respect to t. So dx by dt will be 2 minus sin t, and this cos 2t will become plus sin 2t into coefficient of t, which is 2. Similarly, we will get dy by dt is equal to 2 cos t minus cos 2t into, so we can get dy by dx, which is ratio of dy by dt upon dx by dt. So let's get our numerator from dy by dt upon dx by dt. So we get dy by dx is equal to cos t minus cos 2t upon minus sin t plus sin 2t. But we need to get dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. So let's substitute t is equal to pi by 4. So your dy by dx will be cos pi by 4 minus cos pi by 2 upon minus sin pi by 4 plus sin pi by 2. Your cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 4 is minus 1 upon root 2. And sin pi by 2 is plus 1. So if we take LCM, we will get minus 1 plus root 2 whole divided by root 2. So this root 2 will cancel out. And to get proper answer, we have to multiply and divide its conjugate, which is root 2 plus 1. So finally, your dy by dx will be root 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1, which will be 1. So option A is the final answer. Ta-da! Here we have 10x plus 1 plus 10x minus 1 is equal to 1. Then we have to find out dy by dx. So let's differentiate with respect to x. So in first term, we have to differentiate 10x plus 1. We have to take box around the x plus 1. The differentiation of 10 box will be x square box into differentiation of box. Within the box, we have x plus y. So differentiation of x will be 1. Differentiation of y will be dy by dx. Plus, to differentiate second term, you have to consider box around the x minus y. So differentiation of 10 box will be x square box into d by dx of box. Within the box, we have x minus y. So its differentiation will be 1 minus dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1 will be 0. So let's simplify. X square x plus y multiply with 1 will give us x square x plus y, and multiply with dy by dx will give us x square x plus y into dy by dx. Similarly, x square x minus y minus x square x minus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now, our next step is take dy by dx common from these two terms. So we will get dy by dx into sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y, and rest of the terms will move on the right side. So we can say dy by dx is simply minus of sec square x plus y plus sec square x minus y upon sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y. And to get proper answer, let's multiply minus within the bracket. So we will get minus x square x plus y and plus x square x minus y, which is given in option B. Ta-da!